यूट्यूबर्स की लाइफ बहुत ग्लैमरस होती है ना। ये देखो हमारा ग्लैमर, कैन यू सी। सो आई एम गोना कट देम एंड गिव इट टू माई मॉम। इतनी साफ सफाई चल रही है घर पे कि पोछे कम पड़ रहे हैं। गुड मॉर्निंग यू गाइज, डिड आई वेयर द सेम थिंग इन माई लास्ट व्लॉग? तो आज मैंने बस कैमरा उठा लिया है। आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इन टुडेज वीडियो। अभी व्हाट आई एम गोना डू आई विल टेल यू। सो देयर इज दिस AC, so I have to clean that because obviously अभी AC की सर्विसिंग वगैरह कुछ हो नहीं रहा है, so we only have to do everything. तो मेरे बेडरूम में this is this डब्बा बॉक्स AC, बाहर स्प्लिट AC है. Oh my god, this is the time when I feel कि मुझे पहले पैदा होना चाहिए था मेरे घर में. मैं ये सब नहीं करती. So basically when like we got this house, so my grandfather has stayed in this house, my dad has stayed in this house. We have never changed the house basically. So ये जो खड्डा यहाँ पे छेद कर दिया है पूरा वॉल में, वो पहले से कर दिया था मेरे पेरेंट्स ने, so that we can put an AC over here. So there is no chance we can put split AC over here. तो यही AC से काम चलाना पड़ता है, and ये AC बहुत जल्दी गंदा होता है. Okay, so update about my pimple. This is like the heat boil you get after you eat a lot of mangoes. Now honestly मुझे ये कभी होता नहीं है. Like this happens once in 10 times. तो मुझे ये कभी होता नहीं है, but it's Mridul's fault because recently when we were speaking on the phone, she was like, "इतने mangoes मत खा, तुझे पिंपल हो जाएंगे," and this happened. So I blame Mridul. But it's going right now. Like it's completely dried up. It was hurting so bad. Like I could feel the pimple throbbing from inside. But I have posted a video on Instagram like how you can, like which mask I use for it. It's the Innisfree mousse mask, like the super volcanic mousse mask. It works wonders for drying out your pimples. Winters में that mask is not good, but summers में that mask is amazing. Anyway, so clearly I have not taken a bath. So what I'm gonna do is put a hair mask and then start cleaning because मैंने already थोड़ा ना ठंडा कर लिया रूम. बिकॉज वंस आई ओपन द AC आई कांट स्विच ऑन द फैन और धूल सब उड़ती रहेगी यहाँ वहाँ पे. तो मैं थोड़ा ठंडा कर लिया रूम एंड आई एम गोना पुट अ हेयर मास्क. तो 1 घंटा तो निकल जाएगा इसमें. यही होता है यार लॉकडाउन में, वी लिटरली काउंट आवर्स. व्हाई इज दिस सो ब्राइट? लेट मी जस्ट डिक्रीज द ब्राइटनेस. हम लोग लिटरली काउंट करते हैं कि हाँ अभी 1 बज गया, अभी 2 बज गया, अभी बस 10 बज गया, सोना है, अभी 1 दिन निकल गया. यही चल रहा है लॉकडाउन में. Okay, I'm in my Gangubai mode. We have newspaper नीचे, we have a brush and this कपड़ा. Now I have to figure it out कि इसको खोलना कैसे because I forgot. Can you see? This is satisfying, dude. Why don't I remember इसको खोलना कैसे है? Okay, I remembered कि यहाँ पे स्क्रू निकालना है. This, I don't know if you guys can see. यूट्यूबर्स की लाइफ बहुत ग्लैमरस होती है ना. ये देखो हमारा ग्लैमर. कैन यू सी? Now that I look a little presentable and fresh and whatnot, let's do something. Let's sacrifice something. AC चल रहा है तो थोड़ा करके आवाज आ रही होगी. Bear with me. और ये sacrifice and all of that मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ पता है? Because I'm watching too much of Vampire Diaries. I had never watched Vampire Diaries. Like, can you beat that? And now that I'm watching Damon Salvatore, so we are gonna sacrifice this. Do you remember this? Wait, do you remember this? These are my PJs, like my night dresses which I have bought from Shein, and it's been a while since I'm using this. So मुझे इस पे ज़्यादा बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है because look at this. It's become so stretchable, like बहुत लूज होता है मेरे को, and I think I've used it for a really long time. So it's time that they are put to a very good cause, and that is pochas. So I'm gonna cut them and give it to my mom. इतनी साफ सफाई चल रही है घर पे कि पोछे कम पड़ रहे हैं. Okay, it's 2 o'clock right now and it's past my lunch time, so I'm very hungry. I'm gonna have my lunch now with mangoes, and if you can hear noise, that means my parents are talking very loudly outside. It's normal in my house, normal in Gosalkar's house. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna watch Vampire Diaries for 2 hours minimum. I am on the 5th season, 13th, 14th episode, so I'm gonna do that.
3 hours later.
Hi you guys, it's almost 5:15 right now and I binge watched for 3 hours almost. So yeah, guilty but not guilty. And now जो मैं अभी करने जा रही हूँ, because of that you guys are gonna kill me. Are you ready? Okay, here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! It's pani puri time. Don't worry, सब घर पे बनाया हुआ है except the puris. बाकी सब मॉम ने घर पे बनाया है. So yeah, this is how it is. खाना है, सोना है, टाइम पास करना है, काम करना है, and repeat. And दिन गिनने, that's all we can do in this lockdown. And most importantly, we have to be positive and happy, pushing through it. I have so many things to worry about, but I think that's how we should train our mind and our heart, that no matter what is going on, we have to push through and feel what is going on, and then regardless of that we have to keep doing what we are supposed to do, and that is staying alive and being happy. I have realized a lot of things in this lockdown, और उसमें से एक ये है that homemade pani puri और homemade pizza, all of these things are a scam. तो ठेले पे खड़े रह के पानी पूरी खाने में मज़ा है, वो कहीं भी नहीं है. So yeah, it's 5:45 now and I can happily go back to my Vampire Diaries binge session, but I will not do that because it's not good for your health. So खुद को बिजी कैसे रखा जाए? Cleaning again. So I was having two options: either clean my makeup cupboard because I am planning to shoot my makeup collection video on my main channel, and I have second option, that is to clean my wardrobe, like my clothes wala cupboard. So I think I'm gonna clean my clothes wala cupboard because बाहर मतलब गिर रहे कपड़े, मतलब मैं से दरवाज़ा खोलता हूँ तो सब मुंह पे आ जाता है. Guys, these are just my joggers, and वो भी like this is like 70% of the collection. थोड़े अंदर और भी है, ये वाले wardrobe में और बाहर वाले wardrobe में. I love wearing joggers. I don't have a lot of jeans. I just have joggers and I just love them. I can practically live in joggers. So these are my t-shirts, like crop t-shirts and loose t-shirts. Then these are my shorts. This is like a singlet situation. Then these are my like tight crop tops which I love to wear on joggers. ये सारे joggers है. These are my घर के clothes. So yeah, and then there is this laundry bag जो मेरे सामने पड़ी है, और उसमें there is everything but clothes. Like clothes are also there, but you will see all sorts of crap like lip balm or makeup brushes or skincare. Something or the other is gonna be there in that.
2 hours later.
It's way later in the day, I mean in the night. It's almost 9 o'clock. I don't feel like eating, like I don't feel like having dinner, so I'm just making myself a smoothie, a muskmelon smoothie. I'm thinking if I should add milk or not. Let's see. So I'm just gonna grind it and drink. Yeah, I don't think I need to add milk. I'm okay with this. Cheers. It's so good. I love muskmelon juice. I'm pretty sure if I'm binge watching tonight, that means I'm gonna get up in the middle of the night. I'm gonna feel hungry. Okay, I've showered and I feel so clean now, and I have put on more jhallier clothes, पतले clothes, so हवा आस पास आर पार हो सके. And it's so hot, you guys. It's so humid. अभी मैं without fan बात कर रही हूँ, so I've started sweating again. And I've put my mask. I'm gonna put it overnight. And I think that is it for today's video. I'm gonna binge watch on Vampire Diaries again and then fall asleep. I hope you found this video a little entertaining. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I have another channel where I post beauty and hair care and skincare and whatnot, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye.